On the morning of March 14, 1879, in the small town of Ulm, Germany, a baby was born. His family immediately noticed that he was different from other children. They named him Albert, and he was slow to speak his first words. His parents feared that he might have a learning disability. Yet, young Albert's eyes always sparkled, as if he were trying to solve a distant mystery. When the family moved to Munich, Albert started school. However, his teachers didn't find him remarkable. He was too quiet and didn't follow rules well. One day, his father gave him a compass, a gift that would change everything. Young Albert was captivated by the way the needle always pointed in the same direction. What could this invisible force be, he wondered. This small device ignited a lifelong curiosity about the secrets of the universe. As a teenager, Albert often clashed with his teachers. The rigid school system could not accommodate his boundless curiosity and free-thinking mind. When he applied to the Swiss Federal Polytechnic in Zurich, he failed the entrance exam on his first try. But he didn't give up. A year later, he was accepted as a physics student. During his university years, Albert immersed himself in mathematics and physics. But after graduation, he struggled to find an academic position. Instead, he took a job at the Swiss Patent Office, a seemingly unremarkable position. Yet even in that small office, his mind was brimming with revolutionary ideas about how the universe works. No one knew it at the time, but he was about to change the world of science forever. The year 1905 is known as the miracle year in the world of science. Albert Einstein published 4 groundbreaking papers that shook the foundations of physics. One of these papers introduced the famous equation E = mc², which revealed the profound relationship between energy and matter. Einstein's ideas made him a rising star in the scientific community. In 1915, when he completed his theory of general relativity, he transformed humanity's understanding of space and time. He showed that what we perceive as gravity is actually the curvature of space-time. In 1933, dark clouds gathered over Germany. The Nazi regime began targeting Jewish scientists, and Einstein was no longer safe in his homeland. He moved to the United States and joined Princeton University. But the world was once again on the brink of war. Despite being a pacifist, Einstein played a role in the development of the atomic bomb by signing a letter that warned about Germany's potential nuclear weapons program. This decision weighed heavily on his conscience. After the war, Einstein became an outspoken advocate for peace and disarmament. Without peace, science has no meaning, he declared. In his later years, Albert Einstein devoted himself to searching for a theory of everything, a single equation that could explain all the forces of nature. However, he passed away on April 18, 1955, without finding the answer. Einstein's story shows how a simple compass can spark a journey that reaches the deepest mysteries of the universe. His light continues to shine, not just in the realm of science but also in the conscience of humanity.